morning, ladies and gentlemen, and distinguished members in the dais. It's a great privilege to be part of this seminar this morning on doing business with Canada at this critical juncture of India-Canada relations, where great progress is being made with many exciting prospects, including the negotiation of the comprehensive economic partnership agreement, as Mr. Rontu mentioned, which aims to boost bilateral trade to $15 billion. Sectors like education, manufacturing, infrastructure, information and communication technology, green energy and clean tech, life sciences are areas of emphasis and opportunity for both countries. Canada and India have long-standing bilateral relations built upon shared traditions of democracy. This relationship is supported by a wide range of common elements, such as economies with strong agricultural and natural resource sectors, as well as mature and effective regulatory frameworks. Still, a lot needs to be done to build awareness of the Canadian brand in India and vice versa. As a survey has recently shown, many of us in India wrongly assume that what is arguably Canada's most innovative company, Ontario-based Research in Motion, makers of the BlackBerry phone, many of us think it's of it as an American company. And Bata, which is an iconic decades-old Canadian shoe brand, many people think it's still an Indian company. This, as many of you are aware, has been declared as the Year of India and Canada. An initiative such as today, led by ICBC, will strengthen this bond further and build the brand of India and Canada and leverage relationships between the two countries. Trade today between our two countries is less than $5 billion. But these modest numbers are more a statement of the past and not the promise of the future. ICBC just had their award ceremony in Toronto, which was a huge success. We understand over 30 to 40,000 visitors in Toronto over that single weekend, which is huge. Economic growth in Canada, post the financial crisis has been steady. For the first quarter of 2011, growth was primarily driven by the manufacturing sector, which grew by 2.8%. The manufacturing sector's growth was stimulated by a rebounding automotive sector in Canada and the US. Canada offers four broad advantages for doing business: economic, market, capital, and lifestyle. Canada enjoys a strong fiscal position and has the lowest debt burden among the G7 countries. Its banks are among the safest in the world and was the only G7 nation not forced to bail out its bankers during the 2008 financial crisis. In fact, there are lessons that Toronto and Mumbai can probably teach New York and London in this regard. In terms of market, Canada is India's gateway to North America, offering access to 450 million customers due to the NAFTA agreement. It also enjoys a very well-educated and competitive workforce. On the capital advantage front, the Toronto Stock Exchange is the second largest stock exchange in the world in terms of listed companies, and the prime destination for listing of mining stocks, which would be of great interest to India. Canada also has a very strong or very competitive corporate tax structure, lowest among the G7. On the lifestyle advantage, Canadian cities rank among the most livable cities in the world, and Toronto is probably the lowest crime rate amongst international cities globally. Most importantly, the Indo-Canadian community in Canada, or the Indian diaspora, which is over 1 million people, offer a bridge that both countries can use to develop closer cooperation. Out of the 250 members of parliament in Canada, I believe there are 8 Indo-Canadians, a significant number. Building new relationships with preeminent Indian trade bodies like ICBC and Canadian trade bodies is a focus area for the Indo-Canadian Business Chamber. At ICBC, we constantly strive to make it a more vibrant, relevant organization that includes broad-based membership of companies and individuals that have or intend to establish Canada-India ties. ICBC will be arranging the logistics for the delegation members who would like to visit Winnipeg, Montreal, Vancouver for business visits after the Toronto leg. And Nadir Ahmed, the Chief Operating Officer of ICBC, who's here with us, will have more details on that. We also have set up an ICBC desk, which some of you may have noticed as you enter the venue, where more information about the chamber and its activities and membership forms are available. Final report from a comment made by Tarun Das, formerly CII, to Douglas Gould, Senior Fellow, Canada International Council. There is a very good feeling about Canada here. you should cash in on it. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you will take this opportunity to join us in Canada as part of the delegation of Thank you very much.